Hello my friends and welcome to our channel. Hola mis amigos y bienvenidos a nuestro canal. Today we are going to learn how to say in Spanish the most important greetings, hellos and goodbyes in Spanish. Now we are going to start with hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? This was pretty easy, wasn't it? Now, the following question is a greeting that you can say to a very close friend, and it would be, what's up? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Now, if you want to ask someone when you meet them, when you greet them, is everything going okay? Or how's everything going for you? You can simply say in Spanish, ¿todo bien? ¿Todo bien? Now, if you want to be a bit more polite and you meet someone that is older than you would say, how is your day going? And in Spanish, it would be ¿Cómo le va? ¿Cómo le va? I'm sure that you can choose some of these greetings that best fit your needs. And now let's go to the goodbyes. I know it's sometimes hard to say goodbye, but you are going to find these goodbyes very simple and very easy to put in practice. And the most common one is adios, adios, or you can also say see you soon, hasta luego, hasta luego, and you could be even a bit more polite and you could say to someone that's an acquaintance, have a great day ahead. Que tenga un muy buen día. Que tenga un muy buen día. If you are more close to someone, you can say see ya or see you later. And this is in Spanish, nos vemos, nos vemos. Also, you can say to someone that is a bit older than you, I wish you all the best. And this is in Spanish, que le vaya muy bien. Que le vaya muy bien. If you are going to see someone tomorrow, you can tell them hasta pronto or hasta mañana. Mañana means tomorrow. Hasta pronto or hasta mañana. Now this was very easy and so much fun. I hope you had at least as much fun as I had teaching you about the greetings in Spanish. And which do you think is the most frequently used greeting in Spanish? I'll give you a second to think about it. Okay, time is up. And it is Feliz Cumpleaños, happy birthday. Yes, Feliz Cumpleaños is one of the most used greetings in Spanish. My dear friends, I do hope that you enjoyed our easy Spanish lesson that's also very efficient to put in practice starting now. Make sure you let us know in the comments below how was it for you when you used these sentences, and make sure that you like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you very soon. Hasta luego, mis amigos.